Bonjour and welcome to French Action. This video is a recap on the French subjunctive. I have already prepared 4 videos on the topic to avoid one long video. So please watch these videos first and then watch this one till the end and complete the exercise. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! I have used the word subjunctive as a mnemonic to help you remember when to use the subjunctive. And we're going to start with the S for superlative or suggestions. Then we're going to move to the U for uncertainty, and that is going to be with verbs. Then B for belief or opinion. Then the J for judgment. Then the U for uncertainty again, but this time with expression. N for necessity. C for commands and conjunctions. T for particular expressions, which is il est temps que. I for impersonal expressions. V for volonté, which in English is wishes. And E for emotion. So that gives us the word subjunctive. So if you remember, the first S was for superlative and the second one for suggestions. So here's a sentence with the superlative. C'est le meilleur livre que j'ai jamais lu. It's the best book I've ever read. Now, for the second one, suggestions, here another example. Je suggère, je propose. So these are verbs you can use, suggérer or proposer. So in this example, je propose que nous allions à la plage demain. Allions is obviously the subjunctive. I proposed that we go to the beach tomorrow. Now the U for uncertainty, and we are talking about verbs here. So one which is for me the obvious one is I doubt. Je doute qu'il vienne à mon anniversaire. I doubt he will come to my birthday. Another one which we use a lot is to wait for. So here, j'attends qu'elle me dise la vérité. I'm waiting for her to tell me the truth. So you have to be very careful because in the second example, the structure in English is very, very different. B for belief or opinion, especially verbs in the negative form. So for example, if I say je ne pense pas que, je ne crois pas que, je ne trouve pas que, well, this is going to be followed by the subjunctive. So in this example, we have je ne pense pas qu'il ait raison. Est is the subjunctive of avoir. I don't think that is right. So now, judgment. Il vaudrait mieux que, it would be better if. Il est dommage que, it's a pity that. Il est hors de question qu'ils viennent ici. There's no way they are coming here. Or it is out of the question. Okay, we have something similar in English. Il mérite que je lui fasse un gâteau. He deserves that I make him a cake. Uncertainty again, but with more expressions, impersonal expressions, like il est peu probable que. Il est peu probable qu'il vienne à mon anniversaire. It is unlikely that he will come to my birthday. Or you could have something like il est douteux que nous gagnions le prix. Douteux is doubtful. So it's doubtful that we will win the prize. And for necessity, Il faut que vous alliez voir le chef. You must go and see the manager. Il est nécessaire que tu aies tous les renseignements avant de voyager. It is necessary that you have all the information before traveling. Il suffit que tu lises plus pour améliorer ton français à l'écrit. Il suffit que could be translated into you just need to. So you just need to read more to improve your French or to improve your written French. C for commands. So je demande que, I ask, j'ordonne, I order, j'exige, I demand, j'insiste, I insist, j'interdis, I forbid. And you have to remember that the C also stands for conjunctions, but we have a video which is already on French Action about it, so please just watch it to get more information about it. Remember the T for temps, the expression il est temps que vous vous mariez. It is time for you to get married. Some impersonal expressions. Il se peut or il arrive, which gives you the idea of may. So, il se peut qu'il vienne, he may come. Il arrive qu'il y ait de la neige. Il arrive really means it happens. Sometimes there's snow, so you could translate it into may. There may be snow. Il arrive qu'il y ait de la neige. And est is the subjunctive of avoir. And another expression I like too, il vaut mieux que tu partes, it's better that you leave. Another impersonal expression, it's using il est with an adjective plus que, and of course you'll have the subjunctive. For example, il est important que vous restiez en contact avec nous. It's important that you keep in touch with us. Verbs of wishes like je préfère, j'aime mieux. In this case, we have an example with je voudrais que vous cherchiez un nouveau logement. I would like you to look for a new accommodation. And all this is explained in that video, subjunctive with verbs of wishes in French, and it's on French Action. Now the last letter of subjunctive, which is an E for emotion. There's already a video on it. As you can see, it's already on French Action. So I'm just going to go through some expressions with you. Encore que, bien que. Pour autant que je sache, as far as I know. Supposez qu'il vienne. Suppose he comes. No subjunctive after je pense que, j'estime que, je trouve que, il est évident que, je suis sûr que. I'm sure you wouldn't make that mistake. Are you ready for the exercise? The exercise is going to be a translation exercise. Here are the sentences. Number 1, it's a pity that he cannot come to the party. Number 2, it's obvious that he will come tomorrow. Number 3, I would like you to do the washing up. And if you don't know how to say to do the washing up, I put it in bracket for you, faire la vaisselle. Number 4, he may be right. Number 5, I will call him so that it doesn't go out. And number 6, it's the best video I've ever watched. Voici les réponses. It's a pity that he cannot come to the party. C'est dommage qu'il ne puisse pas venir à la fête. So puisse is the subjunctive here. It's obvious that he will come tomorrow. Il est évident qu'il viendra demain. So here no subjunctive because we said it's obvious. If it's obvious, it means that there's no doubt about it. Number 3, I would like you to do the washing up. Je voudrais que tu fasses la vaisselle. Number 4, he may be right. Il se peut qu'il ait raison. Number 5, I will call him so that it doesn't go out. Je l'appellerai pour qu'il ne sorte pas. And the last sentence, it's the best video I've ever watched. C'est la meilleure vidéo que j'ai jamais vue. So here, be careful. Vu would have an E because video is placed before vu in the past tense. Okay? I hope you got everything right. If it is, a big bravo, because I know it's not an easy exercise. If not, you need to work again on your subjunctive. Please watch the other videos to see where you got things wrong. And I hope all the best for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please like it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Au revoir!